Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Hi everyone, we are group 8 and we are making roasted ricotta stuffed peppers. First things first, start chopping your zucchini. After chopping your zucchini, set a colander over a bowl. Toss your chopped zucchini. Sprinkle it with 1 tablespoon of salt so that you let the liquid drain for about 20 minutes. After doing that, so you're going to start lining a baking sheet on the baking pan. Cut the peppers in halves. Take out the inside. And then you brush the inside of the peppers with oil. Then you arrange them in the baking sheet. Start chopping your garlic. Make sure that it's minced. Put it aside. And that's when you're gonna start chopping your basil. Make sure that it's finely chopped. As you can see on the video, the basil is getting finely chopped. Chop, 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 chop. After chopping your basil, you follow the standard procedure, which is to clean up. It is important to clean up so that you avoid cross contamination. After doing that, so you're gonna start grating your Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Keep on grating it. And keep on grating it. After grating it, you put it aside. Then you turn on your lasagna stove. Heat oil. After heating oil, you pat dry your zucchini. Then when you add them, start cooking them. Stir them occasionally until they are lightly golden. Doing that, that's when you're gonna start adding your garlic and your couscous. Keep on stirring so that you don't bang your mixture. Keep on stirring, keep on stirring. After doing that, when you're gonna place your zucchini mixture in a bowl, a large bowl. Doing that, so when you're gonna start adding your Parmesan cheese. After adding your Parmesan cheese, you add your ricotta cheese. Mix to combine, and then add your basil. Mix to combine. After doing that, do not forget to season your mixture with salt and pepper. To doing that, that's when you're gonna divide the filling between the peppers. Don't be stingy. Just fill in the peppers. Be generous. Always be generous. That's the word of the day. To that, you top it with mozzarella. After doing that, you open your Germania stove. You bake your peppers until they're soft and tender for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then you let them cool slightly. As you can see. After doing that, you clean up your stove. After cleaning up everything, so when you're gonna serve your stuffed peppers, as you can see, the cheese is golden and bubbly. And after that, that's when you are ready to serve. Ta-da!
Discover your genius in the kitchen. La Germania.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more culinary inspiration.